Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 74th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about section tag. We'll start with doctype HTML. We'll use HTML tag, body tag, section tag, h1 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag. Now p tag means paragraph tag. Now we'll end p tag. Section tag. Once again we'll start section tag, h1 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag, p tag. Now we'll end p tag, section tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. Now we just save it as 74 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder in 74th program. So this is our basic output of how to use section tag, which implements the section in the program. So this is our basic output, and don't forget to check the text in description.